I'm on a stop sign ready to enter the highway. And I think the car behind me must have thought that I was going to enter the highway. At that point, I was still at a full stop. And he just came and rear-ended me. Because I started to feel lack of movement in my arm. I think at that point, the adrenaline must have kind of lessened at that point. And I told my wife was like, why can't you move? And I said, I don't know, I can't, I'm in pain. A few days before Christmas, I was at the mall with my wife, and I told my wife I couldn't walk anymore. The left-hand side of my body was just freezing up on me. And the last thing I thought that this was gonna happen, but it did, it is what it is. It's unfortunate, but, and it's a life changer at the end of the day. Because I realized there's a lot of things that I can't do today that I used to be able to. There were luxuries for me then, Something as simple as even just playing sports or, even in my intimate life with my wife that we're trying to plan a child and everything like that. Simple stuff like that have all of a sudden kind of made things upside down for me. Lambros and I knew each other for a while. Went to high school together. Coincidentally, prior to my accident, I had bumped into him a couple times. And then I got into the accident, so he was kind of fresh still in my mind. However, I didn't hire him for those reasons. I wanted to do some homework on who he was, his background. A casework he had done, and I was comfortable. I was very comfortable, and at that point, I decided to move forward. I think there was really not much to think about at that point. And I went with the firm. I hired them. Hopefully, by hiring the right people, it's going to release some stress for you. To me, it was very seamless. Very, very seamless. I mean, they kept me up to date. You trust who you're hiring is really how you want to go in kind of blind. It's the reason you bring them into the picture. There was a lot of empathy and there was sympathy there. Makes you feel at ease. Really feeling comfortable in saying that they would be an optimal choice for anybody considering, shouldn't even think twice.